properties of matter and their measurement. After few minutes, the temperature of water is 20 degrees Celsius. Melting of ice takes place. After some time, the temperature of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Evaporation of water takes place. These are the different states of water, but there is no change in the water molecule. Text. Every substance has unique or characteristic properties. These properties can be classified into two categories: physical properties and chemical properties. Physical properties are those properties which can be measured or observed without changing the identity or the composition of substance. Some examples of physical properties are color, odor, melting point, boiling point, density, etc. Let us study some chemical properties. When zinc reacts with dilute sulfuric acid, the hydrogen gas is given off. There is effervescence in the acid. The gas can be tested by applying a burning matchstick to it. Hydrogen burns with a pop sound. Text. Every substance has unique or characteristic properties. These properties can be classified in two categories: physical properties and chemical properties. The measurement or observation of chemical properties requires a chemical change to occur. The example of chemical properties are characteristic reactions of different substances. These include acidity or basicity, combustibility, etc. Let us learn the International System of Units, SI. The given table represents different base physical quantities and their units. Text. The International System of Units, in French, Le Système International des Unités, abbreviated as SI, was established by the 11th General Conference on Weights and Measures, CGPM, from the Conference General des Poids et Mesures. The SI system has 7 base units and they are listed in table. The meter is the length of the path travelled by light in vacuum during a time interval of 1 by 299, 792, 458 of a second. The kilogram is equal to the mass of the international prototype of the kilogram. The second is the duration of 9, 192, 631, 770 periods of the relation corresponding to the transition between the two hyperfine levels. The ampere is that constant current which maintained current to straight parallel conductors of infinite length. The Kelvin is the fraction 1 by 273.16 of the thermodynamic temperature of the triple point of water. The mole contains as many elementary entities as there are atoms in 0.012 kilograms of carbon-12. Its symbol is mole. The candela is the luminous intensity in a given direction. These are the definitions of SI base units. This table gives us the various prefixes used in the SI system. Weight of a body can be measured by spring balance, whereas mass of a body can be measured by simple balance. Let us see the different parts of an analytical balance. It consists of beam, rider carrier, pan, leveling screw, and beam release. The mass of a substance can be determined very accurately in the laboratory by using an analytical balance. Volume of single cube equals to 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter equals to 1 centimeter cube. Since 10 cubes are in length, breadth and height, hence volume of total cube equals to 1000 centimeter cube. Note that 1 centimeter cube equals to 1 milliliter. So, 1000 centimeter cube equals to 1000 milliliter equals to 1 decimeter cube equals to 1 liter. Volume has the units of length cube. So, in SI system, volume has units of meter cube, centimeter cube and decimeter cube. In the laboratory, volume of liquids or solution can be measured by graduated cylinder, burette, pipette, etc. A volumetric flask is used to prepare a known volume of a solution. In the laboratory, volume of liquids or solution can be measured by graduated cylinder, burette, pipette, etc. A volumetric flask is used to prepare a known volume of a solution. SI unit of density is SI unit of mass divided by SI unit of volume, that is kilogram per meter cube. Text. Density of a substance is its amount of mass per unit volume. SI unit of density is kilograms per meter cube. This unit is quite large, and a chemist often expresses density in grams per centimeter cube, where mass is expressed in gram and volume is expressed in centimeter cube. Let's measure temperature with different scales in different conditions. We can observe the different values on scales corresponding to the room temperature, boiling point and freezing point. Text. There are three common scales to measure temperature: degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit, and K Kelvin. Here, K is the SI unit. Generally, the thermometer with Celsius scale is calibrated from 0 degree to 100 degree. The Fahrenheit scale is represented between 32 degree to 212 degree.